Hey you guys, Iris here. Today I'm going to share this amazing recipe for sourdough pull-apart garlic and herb bread. The base of this recipe is my basic sourdough. I will be sure to link that video in the cards as well as the description below. It's exactly the same except for when it comes to shaping the dough. Here's what my sourdough looks like this morning. It's very active and happy. And it's been fermenting on the counter overnight and it is ready to shape. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to melt 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. The next thing you're going to need are freshly chopped herbs. Today I'm going to be using rosemary, basil, and thyme. You're going to need about 1/4 cup of finely chopped herbs, and we're going to add that to our butter and olive oil mixture. Next, we're going to start pulling morsels of sourdough and coating them in our mixture, and then we're simply going to place them in an ungreased baking dish. Now we're going to cover and give it one final rise for 1 hour at room temperature. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 for 50 minutes.